Hi, this is Khalil Ahmed, and so we are going to learn the topics today. That is the parameterized reports is the topic today, and my number is 978 9888 424. So we shall go for the session now. So today's session, we are going to discuss on the parameterized reports on SSRS. So we shall note down from here. We shall go with the technical session now. Thank you. So the report cube sessions will be like we shall continue on tomorrow by 7:30. We'll start with the cube. So today we have already gone half of the topic with the SSRS. So let me continue with the SSRS, and so tomorrow we can patch up the SSAS part, introduction on SSAS. So let me go with data sources. Whichever thing you see here, let me connect it and show you data source. You already know that when creating reports we have three major steps. That is, first one is creating of data source, second thing is creating of our data set, third step is our reports. So here from here you don't want videos will be available, so I'll be sharing you the videos. It is not like you should okay, how you gone there, how you navigated there, like no doubts you will have. If you on your videos, it will automatically run. So not one time, like 10 times you can see this, and you can have it. So there should be no doubts coming from now. So now I'm going to create a small report. So as per the last session, we have created a report. now in our last session we have learned like we are going to preview this, and in this parameterized reports we are going to see few types. So normal parameters, the second topic would be the cascading params, third would be multi-valued params, fourth would be unbound params, fifth would be cascading parameters. Okay, so these topics now we will be learning one by one. So we'll check out how we go with these regulating with parameters, and we shall go with the topics one by one. So let me go on with the parameters now. So we preview this. So when I preview this, you already know that we have symbol, open price, turnover, and I'm planning to add my sector here, and I'm planning to add my total turnover here. So when I preview this, you know, like we have these values. So now what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to remove this sector part, and I'm planning to go with preview. So now I could have the symbol, these things. So now, you know, like from now, you know, like I'm planning to go with the parameters. I'm going to change where, and I'm going to data set parameters, report parameters. So these types we are going to learn. Where symbol equals to, so I'm going to pass a parameter. Once I click on OK, you know, like we have our the parameters open here. So you could see that as of now there is no parameters. When I click on OK, when I click here, no, you will have the parameters getting visible, which is automatically created. So this is basically the data set parameters. There is the difference. Okay, so this is my data set parameter, that is my this is my data set parameter, and this is my report parameter. So here this is my data set parameter, this is my report parameter. There is a difference between these two. I'll tell you what it is. Okay, that is from the data set. One parameters which comes from the data set, that is one thing. The parameters which comes from report, that is another thing. Okay, that those two are not equal. These two things are not equal. We'll discuss it later. Okay. So when I click on preview, so I could see that ACC or whatever, what is that, BHEL. So I am passing a parameter and I am planning to click on OK. So we have the values. So this is the, so this is a text box, like this is text box. Okay, so I'm manually keying in the value ACC, like I'm planning to keying in my value. So from there, no, we'll be having these reports as we had seen in last session. No, we have seen the thing, so I don't want to explain much here. So I'm just planning to delete this column and I'm planning to preview this. Text box parameter, no, it's a report parameter. It comes from the report parameter. I'll be telling you the difference. Yes, this one. So here, so I'm planning to make my symbol at the as the parent level, and I'm planning to make my sector as my super parent level, and I'm planning to preview my report. So now you know, like I'm planning to view as ACC. So I'm having this, just deleting this part. I'm planning to get this. So my reports coming up. Yeah. Yes, that grouping session you will have a different session. Okay, so it's a different session, but we'll discuss more in grouping part. Okay, in a different session. This is your first class, huh? Oh, okay, sorry. This is your first. Oh, okay, okay. No, like you are the person. Okay, okay. No. Yeah, I could remember, but other person Sendil. Okay, he has not come, but நீங்க தான் சொன்னீங்களா நேத்து நைட் நான் ஊர்ல இருந்து வரேன்னு சொல்லி. நீங்க இல்ல, okay, sorry. Fine, so I'm planning to take this sector up, but I will do it later. So now I shall preview it and I shall view the reports. So now we have whatever we type, no, we'll get that. But you know, like user, no, they doesn't know, like they need to have the reports inside, that is they need to have the values inside. So we need to make the values inside that parameters. So for that we are going to do one thing, that is we are going to create another data set now, and we are going to get the symbol outside. So for that symbol, no, we are going to write a small query and take the symbol out. Select star from table name, select distinct of what is my value, symbol, right? From this, so this will have only my distinct values, am I right? So you could see that in query designer, if I'm running the query, you know, we'll have the distinct values of those things which is going to come. So this is actually here in my base table we have. So if I just click on connect and if I select that BHL price, so So you will have those tables. So all these whatever I'm executing now, you will have the copies of it. Okay, it's not a big deal. So have it distinct of symbol. So here we have distinct of symbol, and here we have the data set. So now I'm trying to preview this. So now what I'm planning to do is I'm planning giving the values inside, and I'm taking the thing out. But what I'm planning to do is I need to pass some values inside these parameters. In that case, going for properties, and here get values from the query, and I'm going to specify from the dataset 2, right? From the dataset 2. So values is symbol and label field is symbol. So like I can just specify, and I'm going to click on OK. So now I can see that in preview. So I could see that these are all the values which is getting displayed. So ACC, so view reports. Next, PGR energies, and I'm planning to click on view reports. And this is this. So this is all about the parameters in drop down. So that is text box. So this is the drop down of parameters. Not an issue because the session is recorded, so not a problem. So you can just run the video and check out the results. So you can just go to the design back. So purpose purpose, no, like it will come like users, no, when they click on preview, no, it will have like a drop down. Yes. Distinct, yeah, we need to take distinct because our values, no, here in this database we have like this continued values, we have lots of values. So that, no, we are taking distinct, and we are taking users needs to take that symbol outside, that's it. So one shot, if you clicking on that, no, that values will get produced out. Okay, so there is no points of any doubts. So if you have any doubts, you know, like you can just rerun the video and you can check out. It's not a big deal how I have gone here, how I have gone there. No doubt should be there. So let me move on from this in this topic. So let me add more values and click on this. So what sometimes users happens is like they need to click something to get the thing. Drop down, click on none. So we need to click something, right? So for that, no, we need to default the values. So for that we are going for the symbol, available values, default values, get no default values. So we can just specify the values as for example ACC or something like that. So yeah, defaultly, no, it will get loaded with that value. For example, yeah, users doesn't want to click there, so they can just default it to one particular value so that the reports comes out. So this is again, no, it's a default parameterized thing. So getting defaults, so this will not be a major topic for you, but still, you know, like if you want to change it, you know, like you can just go with the parameters and you can go with the available values, and you can change the default values as whatever you want, like TCS. Yeah, that column will come from the database. Yes. So I'm going to click on OK, and if I'm changing it to TCS, then TCS will be automatically loaded here. Okay, so what I'm planning to do is right now I'm going to yeah, we'll come later. Okay, that is what you tell is like unbound parameters. We'll see. Okay, so you already know that this is the report parameter and this is the dataset parameter. You already know that this is my dataset parameter and this is my report parameters. So the mapping part is done at this place. This place. So I'm going to change my parameters now. So my parameter name will be yeah, you can just observe the class and you can ask doubts. Okay, so you can, I'm going to rename this to 1 and I'm going to click on OK. So now it is symbol 1 and I'm planning to review this. We will not have the reports. So now you can easily understand that there is a difference between report parameter and dataset parameter. So I have changed the value. So here, you know, like I need to go here. So here mapping should be done properly. Mapping should be done properly. Okay. Now here, when I go here, parameters. So here we have two symbols. So here we have symbol 1. So this should be mapped rightly. So this is my data set parameter and this is my report parameter. So I need to map the data set parameter with the report parameter, then it works. If you click on preview, so this works. Okay, so now this is for your understanding, like these two are different, it's not the same. I want to make sure that these two are different. So I'm coming back to symbol. So now will this work? No, it will not work. Yes. So now again I'm planning to change my thing to symbol back. Now it works. Okay, so these two are different. So these two are always different. So now we shall go for the next one, that is unbound parameter, I guess. No, like we shall continue tomorrow. So as of now we have seen the basics on parameters, that's it. We are yet to cover other topics. Okay, so we shall continue the session on tomorrow. Like, no, we have some more time, I guess. So we shall continue now. The topic could be like we shall cover the unbound parameter. So we shall cover the unbound parameter part. So now I am planning to get this symbol. So we'll have more calculations to it. So for unbound parameter, you know, like I'm planning to remove few things. Okay, no problem. So let me just name special discount part. Parameter name is special discount. So I'm going to have this open price inside. So it's also prompting for some values. We delete this parameter. So now like I'm planning to get this. So now open price. So I'm planning to get another EPSS. EPSS means for that company's employee. இப்போ ஐபிஎம்ல ஒர்க் பண்ணுறீங்கன்னா ஐபிஎம் கம்பெனி ஐபிஎம்மோட ஷேர் ரேட் வந்து இப்போ 400 ரூபாய் விற்கிது அப்படின்னு 450 ரூபா விற்கிதுன்னா ஐபிஎம் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்குன்னு ஒரு டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க. லைக் 0.1% டிஸ்கவுண்ட், ஒரு 4 ரூபாய் டிஸ்கவுண்ட். மற்ற எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு வந்து 400 ரூபாய் ஷேர்னா ஐபிஎம் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு 396 ரூபாயில் விற்பான். லைக் ஐபிஎம் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு மட்டும். லைக் இப்போ டிசிஎஸ் ஷேர்னா 1250 rupees அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் for TCS employees they give 0.1% discount. 0.1% discount அப்படிங்கிறப்ப எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு 10 ரூபா கம்மியாக கிடைக்கும். ஒரு ஷேருக்கு 1250 இல்லாமல் 10 ரூபா இருக்காது, ஒரு 5 ரூபா கம்மியாக இருக்கும். 1245 இப்படி கிடைக்கும். அதான் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ் டிஸ்கவுண்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த இதுதான் இபிஎஸ்எஸ். ஸோ இந்த ஓப்பன் ப்ரைஸ் க்ளோஸ் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து இப்போ இந்த இதில் ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கிறான். இப்போ லாஸ்ட் ட்ரேடட் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து லாஸ்ட் ட்ரேடட் ப்ரைஸ், கரண்ட் இருக்கிற ப்ரைஸ், கடைசியாக ட்ரேட் ஆன ப்ரைஸ் இந்த ப்ரைஸ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்கவுண்ட், ஒரு 5 ரூபா ஒரு ஷேருக்கு டிஸ்கவுண்ட். ஒரு 10,000 ஷேர் எடுக்கிறான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் 50,000 ரூபா டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வரும் அவனுக்கு. மொத்தமாக எடுக்கும்போது ஒரு லாட்டாக எடுக்கிறான், ஒரு 20,000 ஷேர் எடுக்கிறான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ஒரு 1,00,000 ரூபா டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வரும் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு. ஒரு கொஞ்சம் ஒரு இதாக பண்ணுவான். ஸோ we shall just check out how we shall go with creating that same thing inside thing that is called as unbound parameter. That is we are passing it from outside. Okay, you told no, like we can pass how we can pass, like we can, yes we can do it. So I'm going for unbound parameters. So before going that, shall give the same name, which will be easy for me to just paste it. இப்போ ஏதோ ஒரு வேல்யூ என்ட்ரு பண்ணால் அப்படியே உள்ளுக்கு போந்துடும், பை டிஃபால்ட்டாக உள்ளுக்கு போந்துடும். ஸோ we need to set right now. So we should go for expressions now. So you don't want to worry about things because every moment is recorded, so it's not a problem for you. So we'll shortly give those videos for those things which we have not given. That is those that is sub reports and other stuffs. No, you'll get the video. Or in 15 days, no, you will get the videos of that thing. So now like I'm planning to get my, so now the formula is like we'll calculate from this piece, last traded price into 1 minus, so parameters thing is here, so I can just make use of this. If you're not sure, like I can just, this is the formula, like 1 and minus this gives the total discount of that value will be 0.01%. so whatever percentage you give now, you'll have that thing. So this is a formula, and I'm planning to discount 0.01%. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா here அந்த 1% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வருது எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு 245 rupees அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் இவனுக்கு வந்து எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு கொடுக்குறது 242 ரூபா 55 காசு, ஒரு சின்ன டிஸ்கவுண்ட். இப்போ 10% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வேணும்னா 10 sorry like this will give like it's a 20% discounted value, sorry 2% discounted value. This thing I guess 240, sorry this is 10% 10% discounted value. So 245 இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10% எவ்வளவு வருதுன்னா 24 ரூபா 50 காசு வருது. அப்படிங்கறப்ப 10% டிஸ்கவுண்ட், அதான் இங்க 0.01 ன்னு போட்டப்ப 1% வந்துச்சு. நார்மலா கொடுக்கிறது வந்து 1% கொடுப்பாங்க ஃபார் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ், 1% 2%, ஒரு சில கம்பெனிஸ் 2% கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ வேணும்னா லைக் யூ கேன் ஜஸ்ட் ஸ்பெசிஃபை as 2 and you can just click on OK. So those companies will get listed. எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு எவ்வளோ ரூபாய் ஷேரில் எவ்வளோ டிஸ்கவுண்ட் வேணும் அப்படிங்கிறத லைக் இட் இஸ் லைக் யூசரே ஃபீட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறது மாதிரி, லைக் கொடுத்து நம்ம எடுக்கிறது மாதிரி ரிப்போர்ட்ஸ். ஸோ இந்த டேட், ஸோ இஃப் யூ கோ வித் டேட் வைஸ், இன்னும் கிளியராக இருக்கும் இப்போ உங்களுக்கு. ஒரு 2% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுக்குறோம். ஸோ ஹியர் we'll have like EPSs which is 2% discount. And here இந்த டேட்டில் TCSல இந்த டேட்டில் இந்த ரேட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்குறோம் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ். இந்த ஒவ்வொரு நாளைக்கும் ஷேர் மாறிக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கும், ஒரே ரேட்டில் இருக்க போகிறது இல்லை. ஸோ ஃபார் தட் டேட் திஸ் இஸ் தி காஸ்ட் ஃபார் எம்ப்ளாயீஸ். இது வந்து பப்ளிக் லாஸ்ட் ட்ரேடட் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து பப்ளிக்கோட ஷேர். மற்றவங்க வாங்கணும்னா they will purchase in this price, employees will purchase in this price, discounted price. So this is all about unbound parameters. So we are pausing it. Yeah. No, it's not a mandatory. Like we have options. Like this unbound parameters also you can use it. Like you can pass it from outside. Yes. Yeah, you can go ahead and set the default values. Like you can just choose parameters, properties, and you can available values, default value, or specify value. Like you can just add your own value, like 0.01. வேல்யூ நல்லுன்னு சொல்லி ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணிட்டு விட்டுட்டீங்கன்னா வேல்யூஸ் இல்லாமல் வரும், ஜீரோஸ் வரும், உள்ளுக்கு ஜீரோஸ் வரும். இது பர்பஸே உள்ளுக்கு ஏதாவது போட்டு தள்ளுறது தான். ஸோ லைக் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு கிவ் ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லி நம்ம ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லி செட் பண்ணிக்கிங்க. ஸோ இங்கே ஜீரோன்னு சொல்லி ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா 0.0ன்னு சொல்லி ஸ்பெசிஃபை பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா 0.0ன்னு சொல்லி ஸ்பெசிஃபை ஆகிடும். ஸோ உள்ளுக்கு ஒன்றுமே இருக்காது, கேல்குலேஷன்ஸ் ஒன்றுமே வராது. ஸோ அவன் யூசர் என்ன மாற்றுறானோ அதுக்கு தகுந்தாப்புல வேல்யூஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிடும். என்னங்க இபிஎஸ்எஸ் அது வந்து இட்ஸ் நாமளாக கொடுத்த ஃபீல்டு இல்லை, டேட்டாபேஸ் தனியாக இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் செப்பரேட். ஓகே, ஸோ தட் செஷன்ஸ் யூ வில் ஹாவ் இட் இன் SSRS basics. Okay, you'll learn it. Okay, so with this we shall wind off the session and we will stop from here. So today we have learned sub reports, drill down, drill through, and we have learned normal parameters with drop down, and we have also learned the unbound parameters. Okay, in next session we'll in tomorrow's session we will learn more on parameters and we shall proceed. Okay, thank you. அதெல்லாம் நான் இது பண்ணுவேன். உங்கள் லேப்டாப் இருக்கா? அந்த இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் வச்சுருக்கீங்களா? அப்போ முடிஞ்சில்ல, இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன்லாம் முடிச்சு. மற்ற இதெல்லாம் பல்க் இன்சர்ட்லாம் அடிச்சிட்டிங்களா? ஓகே, நான் பண்ணி சொல்லிடுறேன். So thank you for today's session. So we shall continue it by tomorrow 7:30 will be our session. Thank you.